All right, we are recording. And there is a rather exciting new feature here. Playable character special animations. Those are now an actual thing. And I am making this video to explain how they work. First and foremost, the list of playable character special animations is a list that's, in some ways, it's a lot like a list of item properties or a list of event flags. It's like this list that is global. It's something that's it lives at the level of the file itself, not just at the level of individual characters. So when you create a new special animation, let me just create one, I'll call it Dummy Foo. Click OK, and then when I open up any one of these characters, character editors, you'll see that in the left and right animations panels, the left and right animations tabs, there'll be a new tab. You see left animations, right animations. There will suddenly be a Dummy Foo animation. This is another custom animation panel. It works the same way as any one of the other ones that you can fill in, pretty much the same way. And I've already done that with the rear stomp cast. They rear up, they stomp down, their legs come back to the normal position. That is the animation that I have in fact used, and pretty much only one character is using it yet. Eventually I'm hoping that I can get Rainbow Dash and Pinkie Pie to use it. Pinkie is actually, if all goes well, she's going to use it for her party cannon, and Rainbow Dash will, I'm going to have to add wings that can animate separately, and you know what that means. Rainbow Dash finally actually able to fly in this game. Hopefully I'll be able to do that, but at this point Applejack is using this for an attack, and let's see, the best way to show that is, let's see, custom attacks here. Open up the Earth Stomp attack here. It fires a pixel laser projectile. Unfortunately, I don't have ground waves in the game yet, so rather than having something that travels over the ground, this one is just traveling forward. And if I preview the entire attack, you'll see that the pixel laser does not actually fire off until her hooves are about to connect to the ground. Pew, pew, pew. So if you go into Melee frame-by-frame details, first of all, this one actually works. And yes, this does have an actual hitbox. Unfortunately, I never actually set it up so that the spawn point for this little pixel appears mirrored. I'm going to have to add that, but oh well. Actually, we're doing pretty good here. So that is what has been added to the game. You can create your own custom animations. You can have your custom attacks use those animations much the same way you could for custom NPCs. So yeah, I guess that's basically it. Hopefully the next time I do a feature like this, it won't take like 8 or 9 months. It's been 8 or 9 months since the last time I did a release, and partly that's because I didn't just need to do I didn't just need to add animations for the playable characters. For every single piece of clothing that is wearable, I also had to do special animations, and I should probably go over that as well. Once again, depending on what special animations exist, there will be tabs that have those names. Like there's an overlay right Dummy Foo, overlay left Dummy Foo, overlay left rear stomp cast, overlay right rear stomp cast. And as you can see, I had to do this for the boots, had to do this for the rain jackets. Animating all of this, and for that matter, coding it so that these buff special animations exist and actually work in the game, all of that had to be coordinated, and on top of that I had to set up or wire up all the editor stuff that had to go along with it. And that kind of thing can take months, especially when I'm juggling this with another project. So that's why it took as long as it did. Anyhow, I guess that's about it.